Hey everyone! Welcome to Roadrunner News. Today, we're taking you inside an amazing renovation project, from closets to a full bathroom makeover. Before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our projects.
Here comes again Roadrunner News, giving you a video of what been done so far. So before you start watching, please share, like, subscribe, and comment. Here's a job we're kinda on our way to complete. This one I'm gonna show you inside. It's a closet, and that's a little hideaway door, and we're gonna put two closet right inside now, one at the top, one at the bottom. And just don't look and doesn't share. You have to share, like, and subscribe. And that's a small hideaway, as I say. We're gonna put a shelf inside there so they can put shoes, whatever they want to put inside. And this is a barn door. So this is a barn door, and there's another barn door. This barn door here is for the washroom, known as bathroom. Okay, and it's a sliding barn door. And while watching, please share, like, subscribe. Roadrunner News. Send it to your mom, dad, sister, brother. And this is a washroom we completed. That's a new vanity. And these mirror have a light in it, and can give a different color. And also this mirror. And that's another storage closet. And that's a toilet. So please share, like, subscribe, comment. And same time, you know, somebody need a washroom to renovate, just send me a link or comment on my website or my YouTube channel. And we do complete everything in it. We do the floor, we do the wall, we do the painting, all the tiles. We put in the sliding door, shower door. While watching, please share, subscribe, comment. And I'm gonna close that's the barn door inside. And we have an eating floor with that special switch there. We're installing this fan with light. Oh no. Okay, this is the rod. I just finished the two rod inside the closet. I cannot show you from far away because the place is so small. But that's the top rod, and that's the bottom rod. So because the place is so high, we have to put two. One for the top and one for the bottom. So just please share, like, comment, subscribe, Oh, outside is pretty now. This is all our garbage. So we have to get something to come and empty all our tools, some of our tools. Please share, like, subscribe, and comment. We are here to give you some of the best job in Canada from start to finish. So please share, like, subscribe, and comment. Tell it to your friend, your sister, your brother, your mom. Okay? Okay, so in the next video I see you. So take care for now. Bye, and please like, subscribe, and
Thanks for watching. We've completed a beautiful closet and washroom renovation, including sliding barn doors, a new vanity, and heated floors. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends and family, and stay tuned for more amazing home transformations. See you in the next video.